Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best paper aeroplane in the world. The only thing you will need is one sheet of piece of paper. Okay, fold it like you're not making a normal piece of paper like that. As you can see, edge to edge, and then make sure it's edge to edge. And then you should have something looking. You need to be quiet. They need to be really edge to edge. They need to be. That's why you need to take your time. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. Big piece of paper. Okay, and did I say this is the raw paper, by the way? Okay, fold it. Leave about 1 centimetre away from the crease, as you can see. Do the other side. About 1 centimetre, as you can see there. They're both at the bottom. Okay, so you have it like that. Turn it round. Shut up! Fold it like that to the centre. Okay, so you have it like that, and my brother's shouting in the bath. Just ignore him. And then shut up. You fold it over like that, and you just do normal wings, any wings you want. And there's, I'd say, the best paper aeroplane in the world. There's no tutorials on how to make this because I thought of this myself. It flies really good. That's the thing. I'll just take your side to fly it. Of course, I just need to fly it and show you how good it really is. Sorry about this, YouTube. Let's take it out for a fly. Okay. I'm just gonna do a bit of a throw. It crashed in there, so I'm not hitting. And it has finger things where you should hold it. Put it down. There you go. That's the best paper plane in the world. See you later, YouTube. Please subscribe, rate and comment.